Hi, this is Tony Nasca with DovNet Software, and we're here to introduce our newest addition to the DovNet Software Suite, the ability to do auto billing on a TPS mobile service ticket or project, and then collect the credit card payment at the same time. Later on, we'll also be offering auto billing as well from a regular project in the office, and to that end, we'll be adding ACH capability with the click-to-pay functionality on those email invoices. So what we're going to do is create a service ticket and then send it to the technician to complete. So I'll create a service ticket like so inside the office and pull up our customer. Now this customer is COD versus net 30, and so that's what triggers the credit card payment on the fly. And then I go ahead and put this into our normal service ticket in process status and give it a title, camera down. Now I'm going to go into the project and add an item as if we ordered something in the office first before we sent the technician out. So now that we've added this to the service ticket, whether this is ordered or not, it will process that on the work order going to the customer. So we hit dispatch here, and we send it to our technician, like so. And then my cell phone's going to ring in a minute saying I've got a service ticket. So now, let's bring up TPS Mobile. And there's my phone just rang a minute ago. TPS Mobile, click on Work Orders, and there's our work order. I go ahead and click on work order itself, and now I can add items. Notice we can't close this out until we actually close it out and capture our time, so we can't finish this accidentally without putting in the appropriate information. I'll go ahead and item here, and let's just go ahead and put a speaker in there, 4206. Of course, this was a camera we talked about. And I have two of those guys, like so. And then I hit my Save to Work Order. And it just added our cameras in this case. Now, I could do labor, I can do purchases, but I'm just going to go ahead and close it out and use my time, like so. And I'll just say 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. And I'll do a repair. So there you go. So there's our total. We've got 3 hours of labor now, 2 smokes, and our new total, 656, like so. Okay. Capture a signature. There's our signature, like so. We also have now a pay statement. I authorize to charge my credit card. This is new to TPS Mobile. And then we go to capture our payment type. So you notice now we have our amount, and we can capture by credit card or e-check. But we can also just enter a check amount, a check number and amount. So that's an option, and these are required fields. Or we can send the bill to the client, or we can hold off on billing the client if it is not ready to bill. In this case, I'm going to capture by credit card, and it brings up our credit card processing screen where we enter our credit card information. Expiration date, and our security code, like so. Captures the client's name and email address as well. Of course, they'll have to be typed in. My browser is remembering that. I hit Next, and it's going to process a credit card for that amount to this particular customer. Transaction accepted, and it closes out the work order, and our work order is complete. So back in the office, we want to process those transactions, and so I come over here to work order, receive work order. Now this I recommend that you have done automatically instead of it being manual. But we go ahead and process the work order. First thing it does is change the status, creates a copy of the work order to the customer, and then it starts the billing process automatically and creates the invoice. And then it proceeds to email the invoice to the client. Just that simple. So an amazing amount of time is saved by all of this, and that's happening automatically. Now if I bring up my email system, like so, and I do a send receive, you'll notice we have the initial email that goes out saying that the customer paid by credit card. That's going to the client. And then we have a status change message because it's going to be for invoice approval. And then we have a copy of the actual invoice with the signed work order. So if I double click on here, there's your work order like so. And then I have my invoice like so. And notice it included the TPS, but it also included the credit card payment like so. And at the bottom of this, we have a $0 balance because we collected this payment like so. Now, if we go back in project here, you'll notice we have a Dollars to Accounting button sitting here, and this is where we can send the data over to QuickBooks. So I go ahead and hit Dollars to Accounting like so. We bring up QuickBooks and do import. Double click, and it brings our data in. Now if we go to Customers, Create Invoice, and we go back, there's our invoice for the amount. And if we go to Receive Payments, and we go back one, we see our payment here, and we can now apply it to the invoice just like that, and save and close. And so now our payment's been received and applied to our invoice. Okay. Thank you very much. I'm happy to be showing you our newest edition, auto billing with credit card payments. And then later on, we're going to have auto billing of regular invoices with Click to Pay. You guys have a great day, and we look forward to working with you soon. Bye-bye.